y'all, welcome to another episode of Raised on the Road. Today we're headed to Guy Fieri's Downtown Flavortown here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Join us as we experience some of the boldest flavors in the mountains and explore 10,000 square feet of games, virtual reality, and go big or go home prizes. Welcome to Downtown Flavortown.
Hi, Matt here.
I'm Stacy, and this little guy is our buddy Tarzan. Together, we are the Raised on the Road. So we are inside, seated very close to the bowling, and it's very loud, but I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the menu. So feel free to pause. I don't want to take up too much time. You guys can see it all, and then I think this is more of the like we came once before and we talked about trying the pizza, but we didn't. We may try that tonight. I think the nachos is like the signature dish. Alright, we'll be back once we get our food. Oh, I also would like to show, it's very nicely styled in here. It has hammered silverware and like a real cloth napkin, which I don't recall them having when we were here shortly after they opened. But maybe it was just that night. And Matt's is red. We'll be back. So these are the pork trash can nachos. They have nachos, obviously. I think it's jalapenos, cilantros, pickle, pulled pork, a variety of things. So Matt is going to try them. How are they? So I just tried the nachos. They're very good. I would say there's a lot of different flavors on them, so you can get kind of lost in the mixture of everything in them, but I do think they're good. What?
Welcome to Flavortown.
Yeah. Welcome to Flavortown for sure. There's so much stuff happening in it, it's a little overwhelming, but they're good. So I want to show one thing on the nachos. The actual chips are probably the best part. They are homemade corn tortilla chips, so they make those here in-house. And I would say that is the best part, strangely enough. Just the fresh made chip with the, it's like a barbecue style seasoning on it. More to come.
The pico and the pork.
Matt says the pico and the pork are the best. So, it's good, something for everyone. Alright, so I actually went ahead and cut the sandwich before it came out, or before I turned the camera on. But this is the chicken bacon ranch. It's like small chicken cutlets, bacon and ranch on a brioche bun. And the fries here, it's like a variety of fries. There's like the sidewinders, the waffle, and then the seasoned.
Be right back.
Thank you. And then Matt got the mac and cheese bacon burger, and it also came with fries. So we're gonna try these. Matt tried the chicken sandwich. How was the chicken sandwich?
Really good.
It was good. So here is a cross section of the burger. Now I'm gonna take a bite. Yeah. So this has onions, mac and cheese, burger. Big bite.
How is it?
It's delicious. You can really taste the onion straws. The bacon is awesome, very smoky. And the beef is cooked excellently. That is a 10 out of 10 hamburger.
Fries are really good too.
Yeah. The belt sander technique. All told, $76.
Yeah, you're fine. Oh, what are you on about?
I like those colors.
Alright, I'll walk over there.
Yeah.
Nice. So this stuff is the Yukon Outfitters, like the stuff at Bucky's. It's the same brand.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, they also make Yeti stuff. Nice. Okay, we just came out of Downtown Flavortown here at the Mountain Mile and Pigeon Forge. I would call it an 8 out of 10 overall. It took over an hour for us to get our entrees, and it was not that busy. We did not have to wait that long to get a table. What are you doing? Thankfully, my sandwich was good, but Matt's was much better. How would you rate this?
Good.
Goofy?
It had lots of flavor.
Okay, well, that's Matt's review. But that's it for now.
Look at the Ferris wheel.
We got the Ferris wheel. You can see the island in the background. And then
You definitely gonna get a copyright
have-
strike, yeah.
we don't have enough viewers to get a copyright strike yet. Someone would have to watch the video.